Hello! Good evening! I know it's late, and this is actually the second video I've made tonight. I am just doing this whole video thing. So, I just got an Avon package. Yes! Super excited about it because most of it I didn't even order it. It's part of being a representative. I love it. So, let's see what we have in here. The A-List. This comes with the Avon Crave Lip Gloss, the Avon A New Hydrofusion Gel, and Avon Live Out Loud Perfume. This actually is one of my giveaways that I have until the end of this month. So check out my Avon posts for details on how to get this awesome A-List box while supplies last, of course. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Bug Guard Anti-Itch Spray, which is incredibly awesome, I will have to say. I just got a mosquito bite the other day and sprayed some of that on because I have extra product, of course. I sprayed some of that on and yay! Wasn't so itchy. I loved it. I've also picked up the 4-ounce can of the picaridin. This is the Bug Guard Plus. So it's got the insect repellent, which works against mosquitoes and ticks. It also has vitamin E in it as well. So cool stuff. We really need it too right now because I don't know, the bugs here, I mean, it's not like how it was in Colorado where there really weren't any bugs, and here in Minnesota there are some prehistoric and some crazy looking bugs, and of course they're not actually prehistoric, but they're prehistoric looking. They're so huge. Yeah, this mosquito that I saw the other day, I swear that thing was probably the size of a nickel. I was just like, wow, that one could suck a lot of blood. Woo, scary. Okay, so I have got a little overboard situation here, which is awesome. More bug repellent. This is another spray. This has vitamin E and aloe. So difference, this one has the vitamin E, which is the Bug Guard Plus picaridin, and this one here is also the picaridin insect repellent spray with vitamin E and aloe. This also works against mosquitoes and deer ticks, which there are a lot of here too. And then part of, and this is a bundle. So I'm gonna go over each product here in the Bug Guard bundle. So this one here is the Bug Guard Plus, and it's the Expedition line, which not only has vitamin E, the bug insect repellent, but also includes SPF 28 sunscreen spray, and it is water resistant up to 80 minutes. So that is this one here. This is the 4-ounce spray bottle of that. These also come with the spray devices, so you can take the cap off and you can spray away. I've got here, this here is the Gentle Breeze Insect Repellent SPF 30 sunscreen moisturizing lotion, which has vitamin E and aloe in it also. So this bundle here, I'm gonna hold them up here for you. Plus, see, get all my fingers working for me here. This bundle here is currently part of campaign 12. So if you go onto my Avon website, you will see on there is the bundle offer for the insect repellent. This is all part of the mother line of Skin So Soft, which if you're familiar with Skin So Soft, you know it's so gentle on your skin and it works. If you're not familiar with it, it's not it's not strongly fragrant. Many of the Skin So Soft products are hypoallergenic. And then they do this bug spray line under Skin So Soft, which works. It's good stuff. It works. So again, you get these with the product regardless. So let's see here. Try to move this box. This also came with a special package for me. So I'm going to open this guy up here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And so Avon does this, like sometimes you'll get free gifts with, depending on how much you order, but if you're a representative like myself, and you have so many sales, you also get free gifts, which is another perk. So if you want to become a representative, there are zero cost startup options. And so just contact me, message me on here. Hi Ryan, how are you? I'm on here going over a product again. Fun and it's late, so I'm like, well, what else am I gonna do, right? So here I've got the Avon Feelin' Fresh Roll-On Antiperspirant Deodorant. I haven't tried this. This is an aluminum based one, so if you're not into the aluminum based deodorants, this specific one's not for you, but if you are, give it a try. We've got that. We have got the Whitening Essentials Fluoride Toothpaste, which has the charcoal in it, which is super popular right now. I actually have this. I'm just going to open up this one here. And this one does have fluoride in it, so if you're anti-fluoride, don't get this one. But if you are okay with fluoride, this is a whitening toothpaste. And it's interesting because I have another charcoal toothpaste, whitening toothpaste that I like to use, and it turns your teeth black first because it's that charcoal powder. So you like dip your toothbrush in it, and then all of a sudden there's a huge charcoal mess everywhere, and you're like, what, seriously? And then, you know, it gets all your teeth black, and then you're brushing and brushing and brushing until you get all of it out, and then you have to rinse like multiple times. This one here is actual paste, which is super awesome, because then you're not cleaning up tons and tons and tons of charcoal off your bathroom sink area. So this one, as you can see, I just opened it up. This is actually not a black paste, so it has the charcoal mixed into it, but it's not like, you don't have to keep brushing and rinsing it off until you feel like your gums are gonna bleed. Here we've got some samples. If anybody wants samples, let me know. I will mail them to you. And this is a gift for me. It's a welcome to the Avon family gift, which is super cool. It's them showing their appreciation for me. This here is the Avon. This is body scrub and cleanser, and the scent is Black Rose. So I'm gonna hold that up so hopefully you can see it. I want to smell this one. I like to smell fragrances, and obviously here, since I sell party light candles and get into all kinds of awesome stuff that smells. I do like lavender Epsom salt baths for my kiddo. Oh! I actually just got it on my face. Wow, it smells amazing. So that's awesome. Okay, so next one here, we've got some samples. I've got the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. It's a light gel cream for your face. So I've got some samples here if anybody wants any. This one here is part of the VDL line, and it's, sorry, got product everywhere here. It's called Lumalayer. It's a primer for your face. And these here, basically what the primers do is they help to just basically, like, over time, it'll help to like clear out your complexion and add like the brightness back into your skin. And then they're great. You put them on after your moisturizer and before you put your makeup on. So I don't know if you're wearing makeup at all, Ryan, but you know, this primer here. If Stacy has any, this is good stuff too. I'll let Stacy know. So I've got also here the moisturizing balm samples, and then this coolness came with like 2 different toothpastes. I guess they know how much I like to brush my teeth because I'm all about dental hygiene. This one here is the Himalayan pink salt toothpaste. The flavor is ice mint. That's actually really super cool. I've never tried pink salt toothpaste, so, and I love Himalayan salt, so I've got a few Himalayan salt lamps just around here to create this lovely relaxing atmosphere, which I'm totally about. So yes, seriously, on the samples, anybody needs samples, I have got so many samples, it's ridiculous. You're still tuning in, huh? I love it. Okay, so we've got catalogs, tons and tons of catalogs, and it looks like that's everything in this box. This box had some pretty awesome goodies in it. I am super excited. If you want to get any samples, I would love to give them out because now I'm starting to feel a little bit like a hoarder, and I don't like to feel like a hoarder. I'd rather be able to give these things away. Lots of stuff here to try. I actually have even more samples in my Avon cabinet in my office. So, you know, if you want to try makeup, if you want to try perfumes, if you want to try colognes, we've got products for men, we've got products for women, we've got products for kids, you name it. We've got tons and tons and tons of different products, and I would love to be able to send you out samples so that you're not just, you know, spending your money on stuff and you don't know whether or not it's right for you. Personally, I have sensitive skin, so I can't just throw just anything on my skin, and that's why I also love samples, because then I can just check out, like, do spot checks and make sure that it's not going to all of a sudden make me look like a teenager or something again, or, you know, start this huge rash on my face that I'm just like, what? And then I'm injecting myself with an EpiPen. So, no, seriously, I'm not joking about that. Like, I actually am allergic to so many things. That's why I do love Avon too, because they have a good variety of products that are gentle, very gentle on your skin, and I love that. Sample, I would not, obviously. I mean, this is a brand new bottle, so anybody want to sample this, I can mail it out to you. Just text me, let me know. Again, with the bug spray bundle, Skin So Soft, bug spray, sunscreen, get yours while this deal is going on. To go onto my website, you'll just follow the link on this Avon page, and you'll find all sorts of cool stuff on there. There's lots of jewelry too. I showed jewelry in my last video. This piece is actually not Avon. Kind of going off topic. I'm just babbling at this point, but this is actually one that I made. I love lapis lazuli, and I made this piece because I also make jewelry. If you're interested in necklaces and you want someone to make a necklace for you, let me know. I love doing that as like a side project. Otherwise, thank you so much. Thank you, Ryan, for watching the video, joining in, and look for all kinds of specials and deals on my website. Have an awesome night. I know it's late. Stay safe wherever you are, and thank you again. Good night. Bye-bye.